how to install packages in Linux. So here, what is package? Package means the software. In Windows, that we call software. In Linux, we call that as package. So in Windows, we know that what we have to do, we have to only download a software from the internet and double click on that internet, then only we can install the software in Windows. But in case of Linux, we have to first identify which architecture we are using the OS. Then according to the architecture, we have to select the package, and we also know which command requires which package. Okay, that basic thing we have to first we have to know, then we have to arrange the package to install. So where you can arrange the package, we have to follow three steps, three way we can follow to install a package. First is we may use the DVD ISO. Using DVD ISO, we can arrange a package. Else, we can download from internet, or we can use the repository. We can use the repository. Three way we can use to arrange a package, and using that package we can install in Linux. So how you can determine which package is required for a which package is required? Let's say, let me give you an example. I am trying to use the telnet command. Okay, if you use the telnet command, sometimes you can see here telnet. About the telnet command, I have already told you. Using the telnet command, we can check the connectivity using a specific port between the servers. Telnet, let's say localhost. Then I am using the port 22. You can see command not found. This is a common error. Whenever we will find this common error, command not found, at the time we will be sure that the telnet package is not installed. That means the command, the package responsible for telnet is not installed in the server. So how you can identify which package is required for the telnet? That is a very interesting command and very useful command. We have to use yum. Please remember this command or write down, because this command is not available in the PDF material. Yum what provides telnet. You can see here it is saying that telnet package is required for the telnet command. If we take another example, yum what provides rsync. You can see this is the package required for the rsync command, and this is the command error command not found. Whenever we found the command not found error while using a command, at that time we should know that the package is not installed that is responsible for that command, specific command. Okay, and how you can determine the package name? We have to use the command yum what provides telnet. Then it will show me the package. Now you can see telnet package is not installed in my server. So what I can do? I have to follow this three way. I can either use the DVD ISO, either download the package from the internet, or I have to create a repository. Okay, we will discuss one by one now. So how you can find the package in DVD ISO? This is the DVD ISO, you can see. Okay, so if I use the open the DVD ISO, here there are two folders available. One is upstream, another is base OS. And if you go to inside the upstream, here you can see another package is packages, and go to the packages. Here you can see there are 6,222 items, means 22 packages are available. Then go to base OS, some packages. Here you can see 1,709 items are present. So these are the small software packages available in DVD ISO. So here you can ask me what is upstream and what is base OS. The packages required for the OS during installation, that is called the base OS. And the upstream means other packages required for the user or require, if we require we can install them. Those packages are available in upstream. So here we are going to install the telnet. So telnet is a separate package, so it should be available in here. Okay, it is not available here. Go to base OS. Here try to search.
I think it was there in upstream.
That is upstream, should available in upstream. Yes, that is available in upstream because this is a separate package that is not mandatory for the OS. Here you can see this is a telnet package, but you can see here there is a telnet x86 846. Okay, okay. Here you can see one package is el8.i686 and telnet package for x86_64.rpm. There are two type of package available in DVD ISO. So which package we have to choose? Then go to the virtual machine. There run the command hostmctl. Enter. You can see architecture is x86_-64 That means we are using the 64-bit OS. So then we have to choose the package having the name x86_64. Then go to the DVD ISO. You can see telnet package and the package name is x86_64.rpm. So this is the perfect package, or this is the suitable package for our OS. Then what have to do? We have to copy this package or upload this package to the virtual machine. Then only we can install it. How we can upload? Go to the FileZilla. FileZilla is a third-party tool using which we can transfer data from my laptop to the virtual machine. So what I have to do? We have to use the IP address here 192.168.59.135 or 131. Then use the username, that is root or any username you can use. Give the password. Then port 22 you have to give here, because this tool FileZilla tool will use the SFTP, that is uses the port number 22. Using the port number 22, we can connect to the virtual machine. Enter. Then you can see now we are in /root. Change the directory to /. Enter. Now we are in root. What have to do? Then this is the laptop side and this is the server side. So I can drag and drop. Drag this file. Go to the and drop here. Okay. Now you can see file successfully transferred from my laptop to the virtual machine. Now go to /ls. You can see telnet package is available. Here you can see this is a telnet package that is having the name arc64.rpm, and we have transferred x86_64. So this is not the perfect package, but this is the perfect package. So now we'll try to install. And another method is we can download a package directly from the internet. How we can download? We have to use the command wget, then URL. Okay, this command I have already shown you. Using wget we can download a package, but as we are using the Red Hat OS, this is Red Hat OS, so all the packages required for the Red Hat that might not be available on other sites, all the packages are available in Red Hat site itself. To download a package from the Red Hat, you have to create a login there, and using the login username password, you have to log into the Red Hat website. Then you can download the packages from the Red Hat website directly. Okay. Anyhow, we have now uploaded the package to the VM. Now we have to install. So how we can install? To install the package directly in the server, we have to use the command RPM. Command is RPM. Okay, because as we are going to install the Red Hat package, we have to use the command RPM. So what is RPM? RPS means Red Hat Packet Manager. Red Hat Packet Manager. And you can see all the packages having the extension RPM. Okay. Now, to install, we have to use the command RPM. Then we have to use some options, that is I, V, H, given dash, then package name. So here, what is I, what is V, and what is H? I means install, V means verbose, H means hash. So what is hash? Hash means whenever we will install the package, the progress of installation will show in hash. Using the hash symbol, it will show the progress percentage. And what is verbose? Verbose means detailed information. It will show detailed information during the installation process. Okay. Now use the same command RPM minus IVH, then package name. Enter. You can see installation process showing in the hash, and this is the complete information showing during the installation.